Hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Just on the way to pick up the Hayter. I don't know if it's 56 or 48, I can't remember. Yeah, we're not far away from it now. Currently Great Yarmouth. So then I'm going to have to pick that up, and then I'm going to Keith's. Slightly different. I'm well behind. It's like nearly 10, 12 now. So yeah, I'm well behind. So I only go like about 2 hours at Keith's at the most. Get back to the Louis. So that's a hedge. Oh dear. I don't think these roads look that tight on the camera. I'm at the end now. On the main drag, it's the what is it, going through to Sudbury Road, I suppose it is. Elsted, Sudbury, I'm not too sure. Tell us. Well, I'm going, it's just up round here, so I'll turn the camera off. I'll see you in a second. Hello, welcome back. What am I doing welcome back for? You already on here, didn't you? Bloody hell, what an idiot. Oh right, I've picked up the I picked up the Hayter. It's a 48. I thought it was, but something kept in my mind, I kept thinking maybe it's 56. It's 48, and we can't find the head for it because she's lost it. God knows where it is. Just in here, where is it? On the left here, where that sign is, a footpath sign. You can see it. Is where my old yard used to be, my old unit. So yeah, we're in Gosfield. That's Gosfield School there. Yeah, and because I took all the tools out of the van, one of the handles is bolted on rather than the normal knob. So I now know, lengthwise, because I've got the cage in the back. Oh, well done. I'll move back because I still can't see to, what a dickhead. Yeah, I know now because I've got the wire mesh bolt head in the back of this. I can get 48 in with the handles up. What is handy because it just fits in a tree. Doesn't even rock. So it's not strapped in. Fits in an absolute tree. Don't think a 56 will. I guess a 56 is a little bit longer. 56 will be tight, I reckon. That's handy to know, isn't it? If you get one of these fans, you can put a Hayter 48 in with the handlebars straight. I don't know if I'd want to lift it in and out every time myself, but there you go. I will show you tomorrow when I get home. I'm on the way to Keith's. It is now 9 minutes to 1. Everybody going mad. We'll try and get there. Try and make a cup of tea. I might not even get a cup of tea. I think he might have the hump. Look, somebody's been into the house. Oh dear. Right. Well, I'll do a little bit more on the way home. We're in Helsted now. I'll do a little bit more on the way home, and then I'll show you the mower. The crank straightener is going up on eBay tonight. It's going to be up for 10 days. A couple of people have asked for it. I'd rather than have any arguments or whatever, I'm just going to let you all bid on it. If you want it, it's as simple as that. saves all the arguments and people getting snotty and whatever. It's not looking as pretty as it used to. I think it's the it was the fire extinguisher dust, because that was right near the fire, and I reckon that sort of stuck to it a bit. But ah well. I have set a very small reserve, and it is a small reserve when you consider how much I paid for it, because I had the fine as well. We're going to get out there. Oh no, we're not going to get out there with this lorry coming. That's a nice looking lorry, isn't it? Yeah, I'll turn the camera off in a minute when we get going. Oh, thanks. Indicator would help, wouldn't it, you dozy sod? So you can't just get out when you want to, because they're there. Oh, I've got to learn to come. Oh, I won't go, I can't get out because the course is coming. Right then, Mike, hurry up. That's it. Yeah, we're going. Right, I shall speak to you in a second. Right, back home with this now. So, well, it's actually Monday. It's Thursday, or the first day, the other bit of film. So, just thought I'd chuck it on here quickly and show you what I can see along with it so far. Obviously, the head's not on it, and did mention that she's lost the head since I took it off. So it's well carboned up, and hopefully you can see in here broken head stud. I thought there was two. I started thinking there was two, but it's a broken head stud to start with. But it's just rings, and it's just rings are gone, and now it's been burning oil, and it's got worse and worse and worse. I really haven't had a lot to do with it. I've done quite a bit of their other stuff, but I haven't really had a lot to do with this one. See all the oil on it. I'll take you and see it in the sunlight. But yeah, I was asked in, I think it was 2012, to go and service this one by her ex-husband. And I said, well yeah, drop it round, and it never comes. So, but we'll do another video where I'm going to go all over it and do look at the drive, look at everything on it, just to see if it's worth doing. You know, putting a new engine on it, or it becomes sort of a throwaway item as such, because yeah, we all know how much it is to buy a new one of these, but it's a 2006 model, so it's 12 years old, and you've got to start considering, when you start chucking money in for this, the very drive I think is a little bit dodgy on this, so we're going to have to look at that. You can soon start chucking another sort of £300–400 into it without even looking, you know, without even thinking about it, so you've got to weigh the costs up. We'll do a video on that. I think that'll do for this one. Right, thanks for watching, all the usual stuff, subscribe, thumbs up, all that sort of stuff, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.